You searched how to buy shares of Arcutis Biotherapeutics Inc., a clinical stage dermatology company listed on NASDAQ with the ticker ARQT. This video is educational and does not provide investment advice. To buy ARQT, you need a brokerage account, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform's search bar and type the ticker ARQT to find Arcutis Biotherapeutics Inc. quickly. Select the result that matches the company to open its stock page. On the stock page, check the company description and recent news to confirm it's Arcutis Biotherapeutics Inc. Review the price chart and ensure the ticker displays ARQT before moving on. Click, trade, or buy. Enter the amount you want to invest. Then review the order details and confirm the purchase. If the market is closed, the order may execute at the next session. And if there are not enough funds, the platform will ask you to add money before confirming. After purchase, your ARQT position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Check the description for the link to eToro if you want to open an account.